it's Jackie from the Marengo-Union Library District, here to tell you about our eating contest this year. Now, you know, every year we have some kind of eating contest during the summer reading program. Can you think of the things we've had before? Let's see, we had Twinkies. That was back in the other library. Remember? Whoever ate the most Twinkies won a box of Twinkies. And we've also had SpaghettiOs, the eating contest, where you had to put your hands behind your back and eat the SpaghettiOs without using your hands. All right, well, and last year we did chocolate chips, didn't we? And you didn't know what kind they were, did you? But at the end, you found out what they were, right? But you had to taste test them. So this year, that program was so popular, we have decided this year we're going to do another taste testing contest. All right, let me tell you about it, okay? First, I want you to know I've been working very, very hard catching the things for your eating contest this year. Should I give you a hint? Well, can you guess what that is? That's a jar of insects. Yes, we had insects for you this year to try. Now, I want you to know I'm going to pack up your kits and I will use gloves, all right? So keep everything very sanitary for you, okay? And in your kit, besides your sample of bugs, you're also going to get a scoring sheet. See? And you just put everyone in your family's name who wants to participate, and then what they think of the different kinds of bugs, all right? So, and also, if you need some recipes, we've got some cookbooks here. Like we've got a cookbook here about nut-free recipes, because did you know that you can sometimes use superworms in place of nuts? And meat-free, you could get your protein elsewhere, couldn't you? It doesn't have to be from meat. You could get it through bugs. And my favorite is a Ninja Turtle pizza cookbook. All the kinds of things you could put on your pizza. Can you think of some things you could put on? How about you could grind up crickets and make flour for a pizza crust, right? Ooh, wouldn't that be healthy, right? And I do like sweet things to eat. How about baklava? How about some buglava? How does that sound? And you can use pistachios and crickets in that one. Ooh, doesn't that sound yummy? All right, so I'm going to be brave. I want to demonstrate that I am going to do this program too, okay? So, the first thing I'm going to try is see. The first one we have here is a superworm. Okay, you ready? All right, I'm going to eat my superworm. Pretty chewy. I think I like that. Superworms are common food in Mexico and Thailand. And superworms are often served fried or sauteed. Doesn't that sound good? But you can also bake them in the oven and roast them. Maybe a little salt and pepper on there. All right, the next thing we're going to try is a black ant. Those are tiny, but they're mighty tasteful. And last but not least is a cricket. Let's see if I can catch the cricket. Let me see. Okay, here we go. Crickets are very good. You know that? You could put it in a sweet potato curry recipe. How does that sound, huh? All right, so make sure that you return your scorecard by the 25th of June, because there'll be a random drawing for a prize for being so brave to try our eating contest this year. It's called a food dare, okay? But don't bug me about it, okay? Just do it. All right. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing your results back on the 25th. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Gotta go catch some more bugs for your kids.